Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I've got a very special unboxing and it's part of my regular case that I'm using for my everyday use. And what it is I'm moving my case towards all RGB aesthetics. So this is part of it. So recently I did a Lian Li strimmer, which is a RGB cable that goes from your power source to your GPU, so it looks very nice. So now I've got a support bracket. There's quite a few of them out there. I have a support bracket in there that's not really good. It was a Lian Li one, and it hits the fans, and I've tested it on I think 5 different GPUs. As soon as you make any sort of adjustment to it to be able to support it properly, it actually hits the fans, and it's very annoying, not only sound wise but also not good for your fans, I would guess. But so I've gotten this. So this is Cooler Master, who does not, I don't have any sponsors, I just do everything by myself. So Cooler Master, so what it is a master accessory, they call it, and it's a A-RGB GPU support bracket. So the reason I've got it in this is, first, it's clear, okay, second, it's RGB. So if I don't want anyone to be able to see the support bracket, they can't, because it's clear. All right, so, and the second, I do like RGB, so I'm making an RGB system for myself, so this will be RGB, so that's why I've gotten it. So let's have a look. The box is quite nice. I don't have any issues with it, you know. So by the way, it's edge lit, whatever that means, and you can have it in 2 angles. So you can have it in front of the GPU next to your case, or behind the at the end of it, you know. And at the end of it is probably where I'll have it. It's magnetic as well. It's got a few orientations, so you can put it in. And yeah, so it'll be also giving protection to the motherboard as well, because all that sagging, all that weight that the GPU is putting on the PCIe Express slot, that's got to be not healthy, you know. So PCIe slots with cards getting so big is going to be having a lot of pressure being put on there, because realistically it's just this tiny little bracket on one end of the GPU that's screwed into your case, and that's going to try and hold the whole weight of everything on that, going to all the way to the other side. So hopefully this will hold it to the other side and give some support. Now, box wise, typical, nothing to see special about the box. It's a typical computer hardware accessory box. Inside, again, nothing too special. You get how to install this. Okay, so those are the angles, although I don't think most of the cases would allow for this to be installed like this anymore, because of just the sheer length of cards. Okay, so it's the 3-pin one that you can install it into. Let's see what we get. So inside, it's cushioned very nicely in this foam. That's really tough. It's nice to see. And you've got this that goes onto it, okay. You've got 2 of them, okay. And what else do we see? We've got a cleaning cloth for the tempered glass. So it's tempered glass, and I bet this is microfiber, because that's the fab these days. What else do you get in here? So you get the actual bracket, okay, with the cabling, and that's the connector that you need. Okay, I don't know how close I can get without losing it. So that is the connector that you need, and everything is looking very nice. Look at that, guys. That's not too bad looking at all. I don't know if you can see the dirt marks on here, but it is quite dirty. All right, it's not clean here in these parts. By the way, sorry if you can hear all work going on. I'm in a new state and some of the houses are getting built, and unfortunately in Australia the workers have no common sense that they're not in an industrial area, and they should turn down their music, have appropriate music, appropriate language, appropriate volume. They crank it up right at, even though the law says not to be here before 7, they're here well before 7, starting to unload and making all sort of racket. Good thing I wake up early, so it doesn't really bother me, but I would hate to have to deal with that every day. But this is it. So this is magnetic, by the way. So this thing is magnetic. It goes plonk, and this, I think, lights up through the lighting. Okay guys, that's basically it. Nice and simple. Thank you for tuning in again. I really appreciate it. I fund everything on this channel myself, so if you appreciate it, please do like, subscribe and share with other people. Thank you for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.